Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are doing the Redbull Billycart race in Melbourne. So we are Team Kangaroo. There are quite a few other teams. There's 58 other Billycarts. We've got Nova, the radio station here in Melbourne. We've got Peking Duck Band. We've got the Skid Factory, another YouTube channel based up in Queensland. If you don't know them, go check them out. They are awesome. There's heaps. There's awesome. Let's go have a look at some of the Billycarts. It is, what is it? It's Friday, so it's prep day. Everything is getting buttoned up. They're making the track now, and tomorrow is race day. So yeah, we get to meet everybody, and we're gonna walk the course at 5 PM and then have some pizza in the pits with everybody and have a bit of a chat for a while. So, got the little beach houses on this ramp. Hey, there's water in that. It's like it's at the beach. There's a ramp. It's gonna be fun. They're still getting made. There's a ramp up there. Judges. Nice chicane up here into that berm. Yeah.